Good morning. Please have a seat. So, what seems to be the problem today?
Good morning, doctor. I am having pain in my stomach. Since 3 days. I am also having fever. And my throat is also paining me.
Hold on. Everyone watching, I'm going to step out of character for just a moment. Did you hear what Maya just said? 3 mistakes in 3 sentences. At the doctor. Pause the video right now. Find all 3 mistakes. Then come back. Welcome to Mr. Fix My English, where we fix mistakes exactly where they happen. In real life, I'm Mr. Fix. In this episode, I am playing Maya's doctor. And every time Maya makes a mistake in English, I will step out of character, fix it, and then we replay the scene correctly. So you will hear the wrong version, the explanation, and then the right version. Every single time. Same rules as always. When I pause the scene, try to find the mistake yourself before I explain it. And every correct sentence, say it out loud 5 times. No shortcuts. Ready, Maya?
Ready.
Good. Let's go back to the clinic. Good morning, Maya. Please sit down. Now, what seems to be the problem today?
Good morning, doctor. I am having pain in my stomach. Since 3 days.
Stepping out of character. 2 mistakes in that one sentence. Mistake number 1. Maya said, I'm having pain in my stomach. In English, we do not say having pain. We say, I have a stomach ache, or my stomach hurts. The word ache means a continuous dull pain. Stomach ache, headache, backache, toothache. All one word, all natural. Say it with me now. I have a stomach ache. 5 times, out loud. Good. Mistake number 2. Maya said, since 3 days. In English, since is used with a specific point in time. Since Monday. Since yesterday. Since this morning. For a duration, a length of time. We always use for 3 days. For a week. For 2 hours. So the correct sentence is, I have had a stomach ache for 3 days. Say that 5 times now, out loud. Good. Now back to the clinic. Let's try that again, Maya.
Good morning, doctor. I have had a stomach ache for 3 days.
Much better. Say it with Maya, everyone. Out loud. Right now. Good. Keep going. Back in character. I see. And are you experiencing any other symptoms?
Yes, doctor. I am also having fever. And my throat is also paining me.
Stepping out again. 2 more mistakes there. Pause the video. Find both of them. Then come back. Mistake number 3. Maya said, I'm having fever. In English, we say, I have a fever, not I am having. Simple present, not continuous. I have a fever. I have a headache. I have a cold. Always simple present. For symptoms in English. Say it 5 times now. Good. Mistake number 4. Maya said, my throat is paining me. Paining is not used this way in English. We say, My throat hurts. Or even better at the doctor, I have a sore throat. Sore means painful and uncomfortable. A sore throat. Sore muscles. Sore feet. Say it 5 times now. Good. Now back to the clinic. Let's replay those symptoms correctly. Go, Maya.
Yes, doctor. I also have a fever. And I have a sore throat.
Perfect. Say it with Maya, everyone. Out loud. Now. Good. Back in character. I see. And how long have you been feeling this way?
I have been feeling weak and tired since 3 days, doctor.
Stepping out. Two things here. First, we already fixed since 3 days. Remember, it is for 3 days, not since. Second, weak and tired is not wrong. But when talking to a doctor, the more specific and natural word is feverish. Feverish means you feel hot, shaky, uncomfortable, like you have a fever. So the correct sentence is, I have been feeling weak and feverish for 3 days. Specific, clear, professional. Say that 5 times now. Good. Back to the clinic.
I have been feeling weak and feverish for 3 days, doctor.
Excellent. Say that with her, everyone. Good. Back in character. Understand. I'm going to examine you now. Please open your mouth. Yes, your throat does look inflamed. I'm going to prescribe some medication for you. Do you have any questions before I write the prescription?
Yes, doctor. Can you give me strong medicines? And from how long? Do I need to take them?
Stepping out one more time. 2 final mistakes. Pause the video. Can you find them both? Mistake number 6. Maya said, "Can you give me strong medicines?" 2 problems. First, we say medication or medicine. Never medicines as a plural. Second, instead of strong, the natural word is effective. So we say, what medication do you recommend? Mistake number 7. Maya said, from how long do I need to take them? In English, we never say from how long. Simply, how long do I need to take this? Or more formally, how long is the course of treatment? Remove the word from. It does not belong there. Just how long? Say both questions 5 times now. Good. Now, let us replay this entire final scene. Perfectly. Back in character. Go, Maya.
Yes, doctor. What medication do you recommend? And how long do I need to take it?
Now, that is professional. Say it with Maya, everyone. Out loud. Right now. Good. Stepping out one final time. Now, let us hear the entire clinic visit, from beginning to end. Perfectly. No mistakes. Everyone say it with Maya. Slowly. Clearly. Out loud.
Good morning, doctor. I have had a stomach ache for 3 days. I also have a fever. And I have a sore throat. I have been feeling weak and feverish for 3 days. What medication do you recommend? And how long do I need to take it?
That is exactly how a confident English speaker talks to a doctor. Clear, natural, professional. Did you say it with her? If not, go back and say it now. Good.
I feel like I can visit any doctor in the world now.
You absolutely can. Before the review, I have a challenge for you. Right now, go to the comments below and write one sentence in English, telling me how you are feeling today. Use what you learned in this episode. For example, I have a headache today, or I've been feeling tired for 2 days, or I have a sore throat this morning. Any sentence. Do not worry about mistakes. That is exactly what we are here for. Write your sentence, and I will read the comments and reply to as many as I can.
Write your sentence right now. We want to see your English. And if you make a mistake, Mr. Fix will fix it in the comments.
The comments section is your practice space. Use it. Now, let us do the final review. Review time. Wrong first, then correct. Repeat the correct version 5 times out loud. No shortcuts. Number 1. Wrong. I am having pain in my stomach. Correct. I have a stomach ache. 5 times. Now. Number 2. Wrong. Since 3 days. Correct. For 3 days. 5 times. Number 3. Wrong. I am having fever. Correct. I have a fever. 5 times. Number 4. Wrong. My throat is paining me. Correct. I have a sore throat. 5 times. Number 5. Wrong. I am feeling weak and tired. Correct. I have been feeling weak and feverish for 3 days. 5 times. Number 6. Wrong. Can you give me strong medicines? Correct. What medication do you recommend? 5 times. And number 7. Wrong. From how long do I need to take this? Correct. How long do I need to take this? 5 times. Wonderful.
7 mistakes at the doctor. And I made all of them. But now I know the right way. Next time I go to a real clinic, I will sound completely different.
You will sound like a native speaker. And remember, go to the comments right now and write your sentence. Tell me how you are feeling today using the correct English phrases from this episode. I will be reading every single one. If this episode helped you, subscribe to the channel because next episode, Maya has a job interview and she is very, very nervous.
I am already nervous.
Do not be. We will fix every mistake before it happens. Remember, everyone, every mistake is just a lesson waiting to happen. See you in the next episode of Mr. Fix My English.
See you next time. Bye.